today it's such a lovely day and I'm looking a little bit pale, so we're going to go to the beach. A little bit of Kent Coast water on my feet, put it that way, and a bit sandy toes. So come with us and we're going to show you how gorgeous it is around here.
Lost as I should.
So we've arrived at this really lovely beach. It's a lovely day. Oh, look at the boat out there. It almost looks like we're in Greece or somewhere. So we've got a little camp set up, haven't we, Jazz?
Yeah.
And we're just gonna enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Obviously SPF on. Baywatch people are there, so that's all good. Yeah, and enjoy this lovely beach. So there's a kids area over there. They only charge like £5. The kids can play on it all day, which is amazing. And you can do stand-up paddleboarding and surfing lessons here. But probably not going to do that today. Let's show you. So where the sun keeps reflecting on the sea, it looks very blue, doesn't it, Jazz?
It does, yeah.
It's got quite busy on the beach
Maldives
now.
who?
Yeah, we don't need no Maldives, we've got here. And so yeah, the beach is pretty busy. And it's almost time for us to go home, but the surf's up. Look at the surf. Isn't it gorgeous? Lovely. East Kent, I'm saying East Kent, I don't know. The
not
Kent
sure.
coast. Yeah, a little bit cloudy now.
I'd assume east because we're at the beach.
You look so cool.
Thanks, trying to keep the sun off me a little bit.
Yeah, you do. So if you can see out there, look, they just started a new class of people learning to paddleboard, stand-up paddleboarding. I do fancy having a go at that. Probably not standing up, but sitting down. There's a few little waves over there. But yeah, it's a really nice day. We've got a few clouds in the sky, so I might actually go and get in the sea in a second before it gets too chilly. I did bring a hoodie. But yeah, English summer at its finest. Right, we've decided we're gonna have a little picnic. So I've got my little, these are lovely dark berry sugar-free drinks. Very cold because I've got, hold that a minute for me please. Thank you. In the bottom there, I've got one of these ice packs that you get from Muscle Food. And even though this is just like a lunch box thing really. I've got bananas. I've got a couple of rolls, and we've just been and bought some cheese and ham from the shops. Like a little whipped roll. These are really nice actually, aren't they?
Really nice, yeah.
They've already sliced. So we're going to make that, and then we're probably going to go out into the water because it looks very inviting. It's really good. They just announced that there's some flags there. If you swim between there and then over there's where the surfers do it, which is great because the surfers won't get so annoyed. Look at that lovely boat. Gorgeous. Really nice day. Nice to feel the sun on your skin, isn't it?
Really nice, yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Me too.